Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out these solo hi-fi earphones. Born for hi-fi sound, high resolution, dual magnetic circuit, detachable earphones. Let's check these out. So I haven't tested one of these similar items in a while here. So let's see what's in the box here. Okay, this just slides out. Very cool. And I have a little box there. User guide. Have a little bag, and in here, of course, very cool, super nice. So this cord features this just kind of an over the ear thing, and this plugs into the right ear. It has an R there for right, L for left. We have a microphone here that can click on and off. I'd like to show how long the cord is here. If I am going to plug it into my computer, I do want it kind of, if I can untangle it there, kind of longer. All right, we'll be testing out the microphone on this as well as kind of listening to the sound here. I'll give you feedback on that. So pretty good length on the cord there. Almost 6 feet, so that's sweet. Plug in there. Let's check out the little earbuds here. All right, wow, so they got this pretty, we'll pop them out of there. Oh, there we go. Let's give them a little tap. Oh, wow. So check that out. They're super lightweight, but look at that. Inside they look really cool. Actually, they have some nice, very nice features on here. Looks futuristic. All right, and this one in here we have more little ear, silicone ear covers or whatever, silicone. Depending on what size fits your ear. That's nice. All right, so I'm just gonna test, test the fit out here in my ears. Let's see, this one is, what is that, right or left there? Obviously that's gonna be, shouldn't be difficult. That is the, oops, oh my goodness, careful. That's gonna be the right ear, yes. That's gonna go into the right ear, so yes. Okay. Those things just plug in super easy. And then over here for the left ear, just push that right in there. All right, here we go. Let's put this in over the ear here. See how comfortable these are? Oh, wow. So it just fits in there, super compact. And these feature like noise canceling as well. So that's like really comfortable actually. Super impressed with that. And then this one, basically just, it fits in there and it's like, I like that. It's like a perfect fit there. Really nice, really comfortable. I'm gonna try to hook this up to my PC here and then give you some feedback. I'll try to test out the microphone, see if you guys can hear it, and we'll go over that. Okay, so yeah, the audio on here is really good, like it's sound deadening. So right now I'm using the microphone. I'm using the microphone on this, so I haven't heard what it sounds like. Got to go back and listen. Sound quality is pretty good. I just played NF song there, and it's got some good sound quality on both sides. Nice bass, nice. It's really good clarity as far as no like static sounds. I had it up pretty loud and no like. If, you know, sometimes if you have like a louder, like a bass, it'll kind of make like a little crackle noise or whatever. None of that. It's yeah, pretty impressed actually. The cord's like plugged into my PC right down here in the front, so if I was gaming or whatever, it's got the left and right side as your whatever. If you're like playing a game, first person shooter or something, stuff's coming from the other side again, but it's going to differentiate between those things. So yeah, very nice sound quality, and I'm going to go back right now and listen to the audio, and then we'll tell you what you think about it. Wow. So just finishing this video with the microphone that it comes with, I'm super impressed with the microphone on this. I've had like specific like little lavalier microphones and stuff that I've used that haven't had near the sound quality that this microphone does. I'm really impressed with it. So yeah, if you're gaming or something, you're going to be using this to talk to your friends while you're gaming. You're going to be able to hear, not only going to be hear really well, but also they're going to be able to hear you too when you're talking. Super clear audio on this. I mean, it's really actually super impressive. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. The sound quality and the microphone is just pretty much quite good, actually. So anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this unboxing and review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.